our experience dine in Pamahal Restaurant.
Tara, daling ko naman kayo sa Pamahal Restaurant in Tagaytay. So this is our experience. This is kind of like Boodle Fight. So their menus is so delicious and the motive is really very native. So dito you have two options. You can go dine in inside the restaurant or outside in all those Nipa Hut. But then of course you will choose the Nipa Hut because this is the best experience kesa dun sa loob ng restaurant, di ba? So makita mo that open air siya. So depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo, but ako mas gusto ko dito eh. Dahil talagang masarap siyang experience, di ba? You guys, you can see is muulan, but for me, mas maganda, mas presko habang kumakain ka. So this is good.
Boodle fight po na siya. Okay. By the way, ma'am, sir, ang kulang ko na lang po sa inyo is yung suman at tsokolate po na rin. Okay. Tawag lang po tayo.
You guys, marami mga choices. Anong gusto yung set ng Boodle Fight. Pero ito yung pinili natin kasi combination siya. Meron siyang meat, fish, seafoods, may lumpiang Shanghai, meron siyang crispy tuwalis, meron siyang inihaw na talong. It's perfect. Ito yung talagang lahat matitikman mo. Itong dessert nito is you dip it in chocolate dip and then para siyang suman na merong leche plan.